Hello guys! You guys know my name, right? No. Anyways, back to the video. So, I am from Goyo Anchikasuga and I am 7 turning 8 in September 15 and my hobbies are exercising, watching TV, entertainment, studying, and lots of more. So today, guys, I'm going to introduce myself before we move on to my studies. So yeah, I live in Marilao, Bulacan, but don't go there because I don't want to get robbed. And then that's all for today. I don't know anything about myself. I just know my hobbies. So this is going to be a 1 minute video. So guys, just